When it comes to team collaboration, the right software can make or break your workflow. Today, we're diving into two of the most popular tools out there, Asana versus Slack for team collaboration. Which one is more effective? Stick around to find out, and by the end of this video, I'll also share a better alternative you might want to consider. Let's start with Asana. It's primarily a task and project management tool designed to keep your team organized and on track. It's ideal for teams that need to manage complex projects, track progress, and assign specific tasks to team members. Asana offers a wide range of features like task lists, timelines, and calendar views, all of which are great for those who want structure. It integrates well with tools like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Microsoft Teams, making it easy to collaborate and share files within the platform. But here's the catch: Asana can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming if you're managing smaller tasks, or if your team isn't using it as a full-fledged project management tool. The learning curve can be steep for new users, especially if you're just getting started with organizing your team. Next thing, let's talk about Slack. If you've ever used Slack, you probably already know it's all about communication. Slack is designed to keep teams connected in real time through channels, direct messages, and even video calls. It's a great tool for teams that need instant communication and quick updates. Slack's interface is clean, and it's easy to jump into conversations, making it great for quick brainstorming or team discussions. However, while Slack excels in communication, it can fall short in task management. You can use integrations to connect it with tools like Asana, but out of the box, Slack isn't really built for tracking tasks or managing detailed projects. If you're not careful, Slack can turn into a messy stream of messages, and keeping track of important action items can get chaotic. The fourth thing to consider is user experience. Asana has a more formal, structured layout, which might feel more productive for teams that thrive in a planned environment. But if you're someone who prefers casual, quick interactions, you might find Slack more appealing. That said, Slack's constant flow of messages can sometimes feel distracting, especially when you need to focus on specific tasks or long-term projects. Next, pricing is something that comes into play. Both Asana and Slack offer free plans, but if you want to unlock more features, you'll have to upgrade. Asana's premium features include advanced reporting, timeline views, and more integrations, which can be essential for larger teams. On the other hand, Slack's paid plans offer more customization options, the ability to integrate with more apps, and increased message storage. The downside with both is that to truly make the most out of these tools, you'll need to go beyond their free offerings. Now let's get to the key point: effectiveness. When comparing Asana versus Slack for team collaboration, both tools have their strengths and weaknesses. If your team is primarily project-focused and needs to track tasks, Asana could be the better choice. However, if your team values communication and needs to stay in constant contact, Slack will likely be more effective. That being said, after testing both tools myself, I found that neither one fully covers both communication and task management in a way that is seamless for every team. And that's where an alternative comes in. If you're looking for a tool that combines the strengths of both Asana and Slack without their drawbacks, I recommend checking out the first link in the description below. Through our link, you'll get an exclusive free trial, allowing you to test out a better solution for team collaboration. So, while Asana and Slack are both solid tools, for a more balanced and effective solution, I highly recommend you give this new option a try. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description and see what could take your team's collaboration to the next level.